Freya, are you chasing a hummingbird? She's really not sure what to do about the hummingbird. What is it? Did you get it? Don't get it. The hummingbirds are amazing. My favorite time of morning, or favorite time of day, is in the morning here. It's so amazing. Did you like your walks? Yeah. Where's Freya? The hummingbird left. Now what are you looking for? So that's where the bunnies hide, huh? Oh, and the lizards. Good morning, rooster. Here comes the water, just like you wanted. Must be 6 a.m. Here it comes. Let's put that hose away, huh? Maybe get some algae stuff for that waterfall. Ooh, look at the frog. Oh, don't eat it. No, 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 no. Don't eat it. No, no. Look at that little frog. So little. It's like the same size as that giant ant. Those are cute. Look at it. Where'd it go? So cute. Tiny. Oh. Oh. Go, frog, go. Get it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Hummingbird friend again.